I download Clubhouse on my Android phone. If you want to know how I download it and I work and speak with people, stick around here and let's begin. Assalamu alaikum, welcome everybody. I'm Omar Salman. Like I said, how you can download Clubhouse in your Android phone. I tried by myself, and after that, I recorded this video to show you. This is amazing, actually. But let me tell you, it is not official. It is unofficial program. Some programmer he make it and publish it in GitHub, and it is an open source application, so it's not dangerous. And I tried by myself, and it's work. Let me show you. You can see in the screen my phone right now, and this is my profile, and I follow people like to like you see Christo and many people amazing, and I join room and speak. So let's start show you how I download it. First, go on down in the below in the description and open this link. You see my my screen right now on the screen. It is 1.6 version. I hope the developer he do another update. Some a lot of think it is features is not found, but I'm sure the developer will make it. You will press on assets, okay, and press on the first one, house club. I know he's right, house club, but it is a clubhouse. I think he made this to not get like copyrights or something like that. Press on house club and download that. I already downloaded, so I don't need to download it. After you download it, go to download place downloads and set up. Press on it and set up the application. And if you see like your security phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source, go to the setting and make it able, like allow from this source, and you can set up the application. After that, put your phone number and you will receive message. I got message from the original Clubhouse company, and I activated this program, and I after that I waiting for get an invite, and I go for my friends who's use already this program, and someone he gave me invite, and it's when I joined to application that's work. I just put my username and my name, and I started to use it. Okay, another information, this application doesn't work on old Android phones, so you have to be like medium phones, and not necessarily be like last Android version, but I recommend you like use medium phones or new. Okay, if you have a problem, you can say it in description. I will try to help you. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to press like button and share with another people. And that's for me. Thanks for watching. See you next time. مع السلامة.